Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today I'm bringing you the D1 end of day strategy. It's a pretty cool strategy that we've been building. Excited to show it to you. So let's get into it. So, the end of the day strategy is going to be first off strictly for S&P. So, we're going to be using it on the S&P mini futures. You have to use it on the futures contract. It is the contract ES1. So the way that this system is going to be is we're going to be taking it on the 5 minute, only the 5 minute. So you can drop down to the 1 minute and take it, but you have to be taking it with a 5 minute perspective on it. So every single day, right here at 1540, right when that candle closes, so you can see candle closes here at 1540, opens right there 1545, you're going to place a long right there. And then you're going to put your stop at 20 points. You're going to put your take profit at 40 points. This is a scalp, right? So it's going to be a pretty quick setup. And so if we drop down here to the 1 minute, you can see this is our bot trading. Now the entry and exit are going to be just a little bit off as we drop down to the 1 minute, but we're going to be, remember, buying as soon as that 5 minute candle closes. I hate when it does that. So right there, once this candle closes, so let's go through like a quick little back test. So right here, here's the 1515 candle, 1520, 1525, 1530, 35, 40. So right there at the end of that 40 candle, we're going to press buy. We're going to set, like I said, a 20 point. Right there, 20 points. You see the middle number. And then a 40 point TP. That's it. Boom, that one stopped out. So that one would be a loss for the day. Now, how do we know that this system's working? Well, with the free system comes with the back tester as well. So you can see right here, our current win rate's about 56%. Our profit factor is about 1.7, and that's over 72 trades that were taken. So let me go ahead and pull up those trades. So if you want to look at the trades, you can go right here to your strategy tester, go to your performance summary list of trades, and you can see how far the back test is going. So right now, the back test is April 22nd. So it's going all the way back to April, a couple months back. And you can see, like I said, a list of the trades as far as profits and losses. So with this strategy, it's always best to, once it runs through your TP, depending on how many contracts you have on, you can either take something off or just move your stop loss to that TP if it's running pretty good. That way you can get the extra setup out of it. Now, so here we go. Here's another one. And let's just go through that same little. We want to replay to here. So right there, we're at 1530, or this one's 1525. And this is New York time, by the way. Probably should have mentioned that at the beginning. 1530, 1535, 1540. Great. So right as this candle's closing, we're pressing along. So we're going to measure that. Go down 20 points. And we go up 40. So then you can drag your stop to the low, drag your TP right there to the high. And again, if you want, it's be kind of hard to do with this back tester, but if you're on the 1 minute, I think we can drop down to the 1 minute, can we? Yes. So here's our setup, and now we can watch it. So it trades around, starts bouncing. Boom. So that one hit TP. Kind of a close one. That's why I think it is smarter, especially because the numbers are proving that they're already working, that you could just take that. So let's go to the next one. Just go through a couple more examples. So right here. So right there is the 1535 candle. That's 1530. Right there is 1535, 1540. Once that candle closes, ooh, press long. We target 40 and our stop goes to 20. We'll put our stop in there, put our TP in there. We'll go to our 1 minute and we'll watch the setup. So when you drop down to the 1 minute, you can see it is a little off. That's why I was saying you have to stick with the 5. So this one traded up a little bit of profit and then stopped us out. Came back eventually, and we can talk about tweaking the numbers and all those kind of things in a separate video. Let's see, let's go over one more. So right here, we've got our 1530 candle. So right there's 1535, 1540. I love buying on the down close candles. So we'd place a long, we'd measure it out. So we know we have a 20-point stop. I'd always want to put that one in first too. 20-point stop right there, and then 40-point TP. Now we go back to our 1 minute. Again, it's going to be a bit skewed as far as the exact of what it's showing. That's why it's important to take it on the 5. And for something like that, it's tough to not want to move this to break even. But like I said, when you're on the 5 minute, it's proving that the numbers are working. Did I even set? I didn't even set it. So right there. Boom. Hit TP. And so again, this is an end of the day strategy. It's happening at the exact same time every day. We're just using a set TP and a set stop loss. And let's see, you could see over the back test of the last till April, I guess that's 4 months or so, 3 or 4 months. It's had about a 56% win rate. So you're winning the majority of the time, and as a 1.7 profit factor. So it means you almost doubled your money if you've been trading it since April. So this is the all new D1 end of day system. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out. I'll do another video soon to answer any questions that you guys might have, and just to do a quick breakdown of how you can move the numbers around. But these are the settings we have that work right now. See you guys real soon. Let me know what you think of this system. We've been working real hard on it. Peace.